In this video, I'll show you how to check your system specifications on Windows. Let's get started. The first way to check your system specifications is through your computer's settings. To do this, click on the Windows icon and then select Settings. If you can't find it, simply use the search bar and type Settings to open it. Once you're in Settings, make sure the System section is selected. Then scroll all the way down and click on About. Here, you'll be able to see basic information about your device, such as the device name, processor, and installed RAM. You'll also find details about your Windows version. However, this section doesn't show everything, like your graphics card. To get more detailed information, you'll need to use another method. Close the Settings window, then go back to the search bar and type System Information and open it. On this page, you'll see a summary of your system, including your processor and installed memory. If you scroll down, you can view more detailed specifications. To check your graphics card, look at the left-hand side and expand the Components section. Then click on Display. After a moment, your system information will refresh, and you'll be able to see your GPU details listed at the top. You can also explore other sections to check things like your storage drives and additional hardware information. That's it. You now know how to check your system specifications on Windows. Thanks for watching, and feel free to explore more tips to get the most out of your PC.